Welcome to my review of Docusaurus. If you're a developer or looking to create a technical documentation site, you've probably heard of this tool. Docusaurus is an open-source static site generator focused on documentation, and it promises an easy setup and excellent integration for developers. When you first land on the site, Docusaurus stands out for its clean, modern interface. You can get started by either cloning a starter template or building a custom configuration from scratch. Setting up a project is straightforward, even if you're not an expert in web development. The official website provides easy-to-follow instructions for installing Docusaurus and setting up your first site in minutes. The platform is built using React, which means that customization and extensibility are simple for developers familiar with JavaScript. One of the standout features of Docusaurus is its focus on documentation, making it easy to create a structure for technical guides, API references, or user manuals. The built-in search functionality makes finding content a breeze, which is crucial for user experience. Many useful links can be found in the description below, so make sure to check them out after watching the video. Docusaurus also offers a powerful plugin ecosystem, allowing you to add various features like analytics, SEO enhancements, and even custom themes. These plugins are easy to integrate, saving time and effort when building more complex websites. Another benefit is its support for versioning, making it ideal for projects that evolve over time and need to keep track of different versions of documentation. From a performance standpoint, Docusaurus is highly optimized, with fast page loads and efficient static site generation. The built-in Markdown support ensures that adding content is as simple as writing in a text editor. For teams, there's multi-language support and options for fine-grained access control, allowing collaboration and flexibility. If you're new to static site generators, Docusaurus might take a little time to get used to, especially if you're not familiar with the technical side of things. But overall, it's a robust tool that balances simplicity with powerful features. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more reviews and tutorials.